Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating a desktop shortcut for MATLAB R2024b on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and get started here. The first thing we're going to do is switch to root, so sudo-i, enter your password. The next thing we're going to do is cd/user share applications. And then we need to create a file, so we're going to do touch matlab.desktop. And then I like to use Vim, so let's open it up with Vim, matlab.desktop. We're going to go ahead and hit I for insert. And then I've already got this in a text editor all configured here already, so we're going to use this and just copy it into the file. But by default, MATLAB gets installed in this path here, and this is the executable, and then you do need the -desktop flag in this file, so just copy everything exactly how it looks here. This is the icon path. This is where the logo, MATLAB logo, lays, so go ahead and take note of that, and this should be everything you need. So let's go ahead and copy this, and then we're just going to paste it into our file. And then we're going to hit escape, right quit. And then we need to give this file all permissions, so we're going to do chmod matlab.desktop. And then that should be everything that you need. Now we can go here to our apps, and we see the MATLAB logo there. If we click on it, it should open it up here. And there you go. You can sign in now and open MATLAB from the desktop. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps someone out.